Hello everyone and welcome back to Yogic Kamna. Today we are diving into a 10-minute daily pranayama flow to reset your nervous system and bring calm to your body and mind. Bring your hands in Chin Mudra and rest on your knees in Sukhasana or Ardha Padmasana, half lotus pose. Before we move into the pranayama practice, let's chant Om for 5 counts. Om. Now let's begin with Kapalbhati Kriya. You can place a hand on your stomach if it helps you feel each pump. Unlike normal breathing, in Kapalbhati, your exhalation is active and forceful, while your inhalation is passive. We'll take 50 counts, 30 counts, then a 30-second break, then 20 more. Let's flow into our next breath, Ujjayi, victorious breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose. Now slightly constrict the back of your throat as if you are trying to fog up a mirror or gently blow out a candle with your mouth closed. Continue for 5 counts. In yogic science, Ujjayi is known to purify our nadis, energy channels. The beauty of this breath is its versatility. You can practice it while walking or right before sleep. Now let's move into Bhramari Pranayama, humming bee breath. Bring your hands into Shanmukhi Mudra, thumbs gently closing the ear flaps, index fingers resting lightly near the corners of your eyes, middle fingers on the sides of the nose, ring fingers above the upper lip, and little fingers below the lower lip. If Shanmukhi Mudra feels difficult, place your hands as shown to cover your ears. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, make a soft humming sound from your throat. We'll do this for 5 counts. Hmm. This pranayam reduces stress and helps to move in dharana. Now let's move to the last pranayam for today's practice, Nadi Shodhana. Alternate nostril breathing. Bring your right hand up into Vishnu Mudra. Tuck your index and middle fingers into your palm, leaving your thumb, ring finger and pinky extended. Your left hand rest in Chin Mudra. Gently close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale smoothly through the left nostril for a count of 4. Close both nostrils, retain your breath for 4 counts and never strain here. Open your right nostril and exhale smoothly for a count of 6. Now switch and do this from the right side. Do this pranayam for 5 counts. Nadi means energy channels and Shodhan means purification. Traditional texts say we have 72,000 channels, but the two main ones are Ida, our cooling lunar side, and Pingla, our heating solar side. When we balance both, our energy settles into the central channel, Sushumna, which is where meditation naturally happens. Now release the mudra and rest your hands on your knees. For the next 3 minutes, do absolutely nothing. Do not control your breath, do not guide your thoughts. Just rest in the profound stillness you have created inside yourself. Thank you so much for sharing your sacred energy with me today. If this breathing flow helped you, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Yogic Kamna for more yoga sequences. Namaste.